All right, here's problem 4. We look again to the left of the equal and to the right of the equal. I see 6n plus the number 10 equals the variable 2n plus the number 30. I want to get all variables to one side, all numbers to the other. So the first thing I always like to take care of are my variables. I see 6n to the left, 2n to the right, so I'm going to go ahead and move that 2n over because it's the smaller and it's easier to move something that's smaller. Just imagine picking up something. That's how I start the problem. So I get 4n plus 10 is on the left side of the equal. 2n minus 2n goes away, big fat 0. 0 plus 30 is 30. So I've now gotten all my variables on one side. I now need to get all my numbers to the other side. So I need to get rid of that plus 10. It needs to move over with the 30. How do I get rid of adding 10? I'm going to take 10 away from both sides of the equation. Goes away here, leaves me with just my variable on the one side, which is what I wanted. 30 minus 10 is 20, number on the other. And now, what do I need to do? I need to go ahead and get rid of that multiplying by 4. So we divide both sides by 4. And that gives us 1n equals the number 5. I can check it. I want to see, hey, did I do this correctly? Well, let's go back, because what we were doing was figuring out what value for n would make the equation true. So to 6 times, we said n was what, 5? Plus 10, does that equal 2 times 5 plus 30? Well, let's see, 30 plus 10, that's 40 on the left, 10 and 30, 40 on that side. Check, yes, we are correct. So number 4, we're positive our answer is correct. Number 5, I look at this, I say, hey, I got 7 n's to the left, 5 n's to the right. I'm going to take care of those first. So I'm going to subtract 5 n's from both sides of the equation. 2n minus 1 equals, that's 0 plus 11, which is 11. I need to move my number over because I got 2 n's. That's the only variables that are left on the left. So move the number over to the right-hand side in this situation. I get 2n equals 12. And now I'm down to, hey, the variable's on the left, the number's on the right. How do I get rid of multiplying by 2? I'm going to divide both sides by 2 because I want to know what a single 1n is worth. And it says, hey, it's worth 6. I can check it. Does 7 times 6 minus 1 equal 5 times 6 plus 11? 42 minus 1 is 41. 30 plus 11, 41. Yes, we know our answer is correct. Number 6, 3n plus 2 equals 5n minus 10. I see 3n to the left of the equal. I see 5n to the right. I personally like to move my variables first. You don't have to, but I find that the best way to do it. I'm going to move the 3n because I just moved the smaller number over. That's gone there. I'm left with 2 equals 2n minus 10. So now on the right, I have all my variables. So I want to get rid of that minus 10 that's with my variable, move him over to be with his buddy, the number over there. So I'm going to add 10 to both sides of the equation. I get 12 is equal to 2 times n. Now I want to get n by itself, so get rid of that multiplying by 2 by dividing by 2. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. 12 divided by 2 is 6 is equal to n. N's equal to 6. There's nothing wrong. A lot of kids get bothered with 6 equals n. It's the same thing as n equals 6. There's no difference. So I'm going to double check it. 3 times n, which we said was 6, plus 2. Does that equal 5 times 6 minus 10? 18 plus 2 is 20. 30 minus 10, 20. Yes, it works. All right, there's problems 4, 5, and 6 for you.